Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
So now we're going to talk about planning and creating your content. So know your audience. Now, I know most of you know your audience, but not always. Like I talk fast. My audience wants me to talk a little slower. I haven't gotten it down pat yet, but I will. And are your people beginners? Do you need to start very basic or can you start from any level because they get you? You want to address your audience with who they are. So I work with mature creators mostly, but not exclusively. So most of the time we're referring to some things from the past that we all relate to. We might bring up certain news or stories or TV shows. If you work with travelers, you may want to talk about traveling, whether it's a plane or RVs. And then you want to give them some sort of identity with you. So I call my people creators. And then you might want to call your people a name. And you may not have one now. It's okay. It doesn't have to stop you from making the video, but it's something you can consider because when people feel like they have an identity with you, they feel more sense of community and less like a number.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.